Hello and welcome to my channel. For more recipes and instructions, see bottom page. This mushroom towel recipe transforms humble mushroom into a layered, flavor-packed dish that's rich, elegant, and 100% comforting. Featuring homemade mushroom stock, roast garlic, white wine reduction, and freshly grated Parmigiano Reggiano, is the perfect vegetarian meal on Gourmet side. Like and subscribe. Instruction. In a medium pot, add the reserved portobello skin and gills, shiitake stem, onion peel, rosemary and sage stem with 1 liter of water. Simmer gently for 35 minutes. Strain and set the stock aside. While the stock simmers, drizzle the whole garlic bulb with olive oil, wrap in foil, and roast at 180 degrees for 25 to 30 minutes until golden and soft. In a large skillet, heat 3 tablespoons of olive oil, add the diced onions and the fresh herbs, saute until fragrant and translucent. Add the clear portobello cap and shiitake mushroom to the skillet, saute until brown and tender, about 8 to 10 minutes. Pour in the white wine to deglaze the pan. Let it simmer until slightly reduced. Add 2 to 3 layers of mushroom stock and continue to cook until a sauce-like consistency forms. Squeeze the soft roast garlic into the skillet, stir, and let everything reduce slightly to intensify flavor. Adjust seasoning with salt and pepper. Start with the largest portobello cup as the base. Layer alternating mushroom and spoonful of the sauce. Add the slivers of Parmigiano Reggiano between each layers. Stack into a tall, stable tower. Garnish with herbs or microgreens. Serve warm and enjoy the earthy, cheesy goodness. Like and subscribe.